If you want to enable voiceover on iPhone 17 Pro or Pro Max, then in that case you want to open Settings. Next, we're gonna scroll down a little bit in order to open Accessibility. In accessibility settings, you should be able to find voiceover option, and over here we can turn it on just by tapping on this switcher. If you try to turn it on for the first time, as you can see in here, we can start the voiceover tutorial. If you want to, you can just skip that and choose to use voiceover. And over here we can also read that we can double tap to start the voiceover tutorial. Essentially, you can tap on something once in order to select the option and then double tap in order to confirm. So I'm just gonna skip the tutorial over here. We can allow to send notifications. Alright, so let me quickly explain how to actually use something. So over here we can also read that we can tap once to select an item, just like I said. So for example, I can tap once on Learn More to select it, and then we can double tap pretty much anywhere on the screen in order to confirm. Over here we have the list of interactions and basic navigation. So if you want to, for example, go home, we can slide one finger up from the bottom edge until you feel the first vibration, then lift your finger. So essentially you will feel a little vibration once you start sliding up from the bottom, and this can be the indicator when you want to stop sliding and go, and then you will go to the home screen. And that's pretty much it. Oh, and of course you can still go back to these settings and use the practice option or the tutorial option, or you can even scroll down in order to try to find something. And I believe we can also scroll down, although I'm not sure how it was. Yeah, we need to swipe with 3 fingers up, down, left, and or right in order to scroll, so we need to use 3 fingers. Unfortunately, it seems that we are stuck in the command menu, so let me quickly fix that. So we're just gonna go to the list of background apps. I'm gonna swipe with 3 fingers up. There we go. And let's see if we can scroll down with 3 fingers. So unfortunately, I'm not sure why we cannot truly scroll down. As you can see, it doesn't really work for some reason, but we should be able to, oh, there we go, now it actually works. So perhaps we need to tap anywhere on the screen first in order to select a position from the menu, and you should be able to go to accessibility. Alright, so that's pretty much it. You should be able to start using the voiceover from now on, and remember about these practice and tutorial options. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.